How to add workflows in Google Antigravity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add workflows in Google Antigravity. So workflows are active user-triggered sequences of steps designed to automate repetitive tasks like deployments, testing, or scaffolding new features. While rules act as passive guardrails for every interaction, workflows are receipts that only execute when explicitly invoked. So let me show you how you can use workflows or add them first. So in order to add workflows, simply click over to this downward arrow just beside your profile, and from here click onto this quick settings panel. Now in the quick settings panel, you will need to click onto this manage option just at the customize option. Now from here simply choose the workflows option, and you have two options, either to add a global workflow or a workspace workflow. So a workspace workflow will only work for a particular workspace, whereas global workflow will work for all of the workspace. So let me add a workspace workflow, and then from here I will need to type in a workflow name. So let's say test. Now after typing in the name, I'm going to hit the enter key, and from here I will first type in the description and the content of the workflow that I want. It needs to be in simple, plain and descriptive English and nothing more super technical, and as per your needs you can modify the same and write the same as well. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.